Wind is coming over my back, dropping down about 100 feet to the water and making caterwillies. Wind gusts are about 40 miles an hour. It's like a little blowtorch over there. These downdrafts are amazing.